topic is making connection, and they have provided the video. Let's see.
What sorts of activities can threaten the elements of the CIA triad? Consider a coworker sharing passwords. Perhaps Joe gives Joanne his password because he is homesick and needs Joanne to sign into his work computer to get information he needs. But later, Joanne is fired from her job. The employer cancels Joanne's credentials, but isn't aware that Joanne also knows Joe's password. Joanne is disgruntled and decides to take revenge on her old company by using Joe's credentials to change or delete important files. Or in less hostile circumstances, improper use of the password could accidentally result in the introduction of unauthorized software that is riddled with malware. Another example is the laptop of a remote worker being left unattended or unlocked in the worker's home. Children or other family members may decide to play games on the computer. They upload legal but contaminated software or files, leading to a corrupt workstation with compromised integrity. The elements of the CIA triad can also be compromised by ill preparedness against acts of nature. For instance, a long-term power outage may lead to backup generators that run out of fuel or that suffer mechanical failures if not properly maintained. As a final example, improper fire suppression methods can affect the CIA triad by irreparably damaging or destroying both digital and analog information. All these examples show that a comprehensive risk assessment of technical, human, and environmental threats must be completed. Then, appropriate mitigation options must be put in place to protect the security and integrity of an organization's information.
In that video, they have said what sorts of activities can threaten the element of the CIA trade.
Consider a CEO worker sharing passwords. So, Purpose's Joy gives Johnny his password because he is homesick and needs Johnny to sign on to his work computer to get information he needs. But later, Johnny is fired from her job. The employee cancels Johnny's credentials but isn't aware that Johnny also knows Joe's password. Johnny is disturbed and decides to take revenge on her old company by using Joe's credentials to change or delete important files or in lost hostile circumstances improper users of the password cloud accidentally result in the introduction of unauthorized software that is riddled with malware.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So
for giving the password, she have used illegally.
yeah.
Let's see. Another example is the laptop of a remote worker being left unattended or unlocked in the worker's home. Children or other family members may decide to play games on the computer. The upload legal but con- contaminated software or files leading to the corrupted workstation with the compromised integrity.
Yeah. So in the next line they have told that if we see the elements of CIA triad can also compromise it by ill preparedness against act of nature. For instance, a long-term power outages may lead to backup generators that run out of the fuel or the suffer mechanical failures if not properly maintained.
As a
They have
final
taken
example, improper fire suppression method can affect the CIA trade by irreparably damaging or destroying both digital and analog information.
At last, they told, all these examples shown all these examples shown that a comprehensive risk assessment of technical, human, and environmental threats must be completed. Then, approximate mitigations options must be put in place to protect the security and integrity of organizations' information.
This all was about the sort of activities can threaten element of CIA trade. Let's see what is the next topic.
Yeah.
Okay, we have came
Yeah.
in module 4. So here also one video is there. Let's see it.
There's so much to consider when trying to secure information. Who decides what needs to be protected and how we should go about it?
That kind of oversight can come in a number of different forms. Let's find out more.
Okay, he is like the module 4 is understand governance element and process. So in this video they have said these so much to consider when trying to secure information. Who decides what needs to be protected and how we should go about it. Tasha, that kind of oversight can move in a number of different forms. Let's find out more. So in module 4 we are going to learn about this
What other forms are
information.
there, and what are the secure informations will be gathered?
Yeah, regarding that we are going to learn.
Learn. Yeah.
So let's see in next chapter in next video.